Hi, this is a comparison video with the V.I Poo. Now I don't think anybody else on YouTube has done this video, so I may be the first. And what it is, the comparison with this video is V.I Poo with an ordinary air freshener. Now I know the same company, Airwick, makes V.I Poo, but just for the experiment, just for this video, it's an air freshener. Now with V.I Poo, what you are supposed to do is, before you do your business on the toilet, you're supposed to spray this into the water first, or into the toilet first, then do your business, and then this was supposed to provide a seal over the ponginess of your excrement. Then it's supposed to provide that. Now what I have done is I've done a week using that V.I Poo, which is the Hawaiian Hero scented one. I've done a week using this and a week doing the same thing with this air freshener. Now this particular air freshener from Airwick, this is the Airwick one, is one that doesn't contain water, so it sprays a mist, but the mist isn't water, if you know what I mean. Now I done a week experiment with this by spraying that into the toilet bowl, then doing my excrement, my business, and then done a week with that. Now I did a month of it, so it was 1 week that, 1 week that, 1 week that, 1 week that one. And I find out of the two of them, that is just as good. That is just as good and costs far less than this. This costs about £4 in England. In some places even more, probably even a fiver for this, and it is only, I think it is only 50 mils, 55 mils for this, whilst this can of air freshener from Airwick is 250 mils, and this does exactly the same job as this. Exactly the same. So i.e., if you sprayed the air freshener into the toilet, by the way, and you only need one squeeze with this, by the way, sprayed that into the toilet, then did your poo or your excrement into the toilet, it masks the smell just as good as that for far less money. The appeal of this is, if you are staying over at a friend's house or a relative's house and you have particularly pongy poo, then particularly pongy poo, it is something good to bring with you in a bag or in your pocket, because it's pocketable. I give it that. It is pocketable. If you're going out to a nightclub, as a woman, to put that into your bag, depending the size of your bag, obviously, it's a nice bag size item. So I can see the appeal and the advantage with this. But if this was to be used in your home, you are better off using that. So, as I said, save your money. Unless you're somebody who frequently visits relatives, frequently visits friends, and you have a pongy poo, I'll tell you the truth, I wouldn't even still bring that, because most likely they'll have an air freshener. It doesn't have to be this one, it could be any air freshener. If you spray that into the toilet, then did your business, it is just as good as using that. Anyway, that is my video on the V.I Poo and what I think about it. Just use the air freshener, it's just as better, just as good. and costs a lot less than that. Anyway, that's my video on the V.I Poo product. If you like, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you can, and leave a comment down in the comment section and try this experiment yourself and tell me what you think about it in the comment section about these things. As I said, I tried it for a month and I think this is just better. Thanks for watching.